Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today's the day we're getting spray foam insulation done. It's going to be done in the ceilings, the walls, and the walls of the rooms. All going to be spray foam. Here I have the floors all covered up to protect from overspray. The house has been completely emptied. Here, let me show you real quick. So we're walking through. I'm not the best person for doing like laying down mats and all this like that, but this place is completely covered. The walls are looking really good. For using $18, $17 panels, the walls are looking really good. Here goes the bedroom, completely covered. Now everything's done. We're just waiting on the guy to show up and have him spray foam, pay him, and also find out how long it takes for this stuff to secure, so I can start moving all my stuff back in and continue working on the cabin. Next, after we have the spray foam installation done, next we'll be getting the composting toilet set up. So while we're out here, we can use the bathroom if we need to. But, alright everybody, that's it for now. When he shows up, I'll get some more video footage, hopefully of the process being done. So the job has begun. I don't have a mask or a bodysuit, so I have to stay out here. But super excited to see the end result, 4 hours later. So, we got here the dust storm. You kind of hear the wind a little bit. My car got covered in dust. My brother got covered in dust. Thank God for his Chronicles of Riddick glasses. Ooh, there we go. And so yeah, everything had to get rushed in, but I can still show you the aftermath. So the spray foam is now complete. Ooh. Ah. There goes Zombie. Hey, Z-Man. Nice and white walls. Look at that. Everything done. Beautiful. Just like how I wanted it. Let's make our way down the hallway. Beautiful. Bedroom number 1. Even we walk in, really cool view. Blue sky. Right there. Here's the back of the door. Boom. That's all done. The bathroom was paneled, but it's insulated on the other side of that wall. But this was done. And of course, the entranceway. The door was also done. So now we're walking through. And really the only complaint I have about this company was that they didn't take the foam with them. And I asked about that, and they said they don't. They said they leave it, that we throw it away. And I thought that was kind of weird, But hey, whatever. This is my bedroom, all foamed up. Ready to go, baby. La-di-da, baby. Ready to go. Got this shit foamed up. Oh yeah, let me show you this wall. This is my bedroom wall right here. This is the hallway. All foamed up. Looks beautiful. Looks like Christmas in here. To be perfectly honest with you, the temperature in here is much cooler. It is better. It's a noticeable difference. Also, the sound in here, the sound is different. It's less echo. It's like it really catches a lot of that sound. No dust. Dust storm outside. I don't see any dust floating in the air. I mean, it looks great in here, So that was a big concern for me. So now that this is taken care of, now we can put up the walls and know that during the hot times and the cold times, because don't get it twisted, out here in the desert, it does get really cold, especially during the winter time, that we're going to be protected. So it was a pain in the butt, and it was a little price to pay, but, we got it done, and that's all that matters. All right? Y'all take care. I'm Matt Rivera. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates on what's going on in our 480 square foot tiny home. Y'all take care. Out.